In this video, I'm going to show you how you can accept friend requests here in Subway Surfers. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you want to add friends here in Subway Surfers, here's how you can accept friend requests in just a few seconds. Firstly, go ahead and get loaded into Subway Surfers and head to the main menu. It should look something like this. Up in the top right, just below your high score, there's going to be this top run section. Go ahead and select that, and then at the very bottom, there's going to be this top run area, and then this friends tab. Go ahead and select on the friends tab, and here you're going to see all of your pending friend requests. To actually accept a friend request, go ahead and tap on the green check mark next to the specific request that you do have. To reject it, simply tap on that red X. Now, obviously, I don't have any friend request here, so in my case, I don't actually need to do anything. But once you do accept a friend request, you'll be instantly added as friends, and you'll be able to start competing on the leaderboards. If this video did help you out, don't forget to like the video, and of course, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel, and lets us know that you want more Subway Surfers tips and trick videos just like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.